It's no more any guesswork or any mystery. Now we understand the frustration and the desperation. It's absolutely clear from his actions and speeches. What he wants to say is, my mistake is not a mistake. Neither it's your business to look at whether I do right or wrong. That's assertion, that's posturing and arrogance. That's an ego. Because he wants to prove that I am the moral police and I can decide. That is what he is doing. Whenever or wherever necessary, it's my prerogative and hence I will decide where and when to bring democracy, even if that needs to be done through undemocratic means using force. That's what is visible. That's what is clear. Yes, you understood right. That white man, the arrogant man, the man with lot of ego, the one single man. I'm sure you're not making any mistake identifying this man. Arrogance speaks, arrogance shows. I don't know how long, how much, and how many scripts it takes to stand in front of that mic to brag about the jargons that forces people not to laugh at silly jokes cracked. Philosophers and scholars working overtime behind him, creating great scripts that they imagine. All illusion. That are scribbled pages after pages to be compiled and called as doctrines. All these efforts are aimed at what? Only to take control. Control over others' possession as they are. And need to be theirs. To take control over the land that isn't theirs. Impose culture that never exists and neither relevant. History distorted, made to forget, or forced to believe that wasn't based on facts. It's all about selectivity and suitability. To grab and take control, to dominate and establish that which is peaceful and happy, but not so happy, neither peaceful, the way they want it. But no, he wants to say that you can't be happy because we aren't. Because we are drained. We have debts to pay. We won't cheat and look bad. We'll take control, become rich out of your wealth, and we'll take control, make you poor, but feed you and remain obligated to us. That's what he meant to say. Is it not true? You know who is this guy?